Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Chadwick Boseman. Most of you know him as the Black Panther. He's the actor of Black Panther and he done the role very greatly. He lived as Black Panther rather than acting like. Then friends, unfortunately he passed away a few days ago, and on the day itself I'm able to draw him and present the video before you on that day itself, but I didn't done it. Actually, on that day, I created a video on my polychromos pencils review. Yeah, on the day, I'm able to create a video on this topic, but I don't done it. I have a theory behind this. It has a positive and a negative side. Some of you might agree with this, some of you might not. I just want to say the whole thing here. Actually, I said some of these things on the video in which I had drawn Sushant Singh Rajput, and today I'm going to draw Chadwick Boseman. Friends, creators are the people who create videos on different platforms, mostly on YouTube, will look forward for a topic which can become viral and create a traffic for their videos. And I don't think, and I don't know this is fortunate or unfortunate, a sad news can get views for them. Lot of YouTube creators are using lot of positive and negative news for creating traffic for their videos. The ultimate aim of a creator is to create a video which could be watched by a lot of people. And in sometimes we are presenting a video which is a sad news and getting views for that. I don't want to do it, so what I am doing these type of videos late rather than doing on the same day itself. Even I could do. Friends, lot of creators can't agree with this thing, but this is the truth, right? Yeah, we are looking for a topic which can become viral, and we are looking for a topic which could be liked by people and which will attract people for our channel or our profile like this. So this is the thing I want to say to you, and this is the exact thing why I'm posting videos very late rather than posting the video on next day or the same day itself. Actually, I'm using graphite pencil for this drawing, and I'm back to the old stage of mine after some days, after some weeks, nearly it could be a month, and I'm back to my stage of graphite. Thank you so much for watching, friends, and if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you. Bye.